You know.
Oh, wow.
Hello. Welcome on into another episode of the Whiskey Crusaders. I'm Will.
I'm Sarah.
I'm Matt.
On this Saturday's Liqueur series, we're exploring something called Orgy.
Be sure to hit the like and subscribe button and click that notification bell for more interesting finds like this. Matt, what is
Tell me
this?
about Orgy.
Who doesn't want to talk about
OR-G.
orgy? So
Yeah.
OR-G is orgy. It's this beautiful. Look at this sexy bottle. Look at this beautiful, bright, like freaking neon orange. I mean, I like this. It's got these sexy fruits all over it. It's a beautiful thing. You know how I feel about my bottles of liqueurs. All right, so
And
this is,
he just had a...
you know, I just got to fill my bottle up here. It feels really nice. It is an orgy bottle. What can I say? It's 17%, created by master spirit maker Jean Marc Daucourt in France, made with 100% wheat French premium vodka. It's the very first liqueur made with persimmons. It is also with papaya, mango, and lime. It's the first, like I said, it's the first to market with persimmons in it. Now, you gotta love these cocktail names. These cocktail names are amazing. All right, we got the Magnum, the Foreplay, the Missionary, the Orgy on the Beach, the Orgy Menage a Trois, the G-Spot in Rio, Hot Rated Side Affair Quickie, and the Unfaithful Martini. Now, how can you go wrong with those names of those beautiful cocktails?
All right.
Something tells me it's mostly ladies that are ordering those.
Does this bottle surprise you? Of course it's ladies, wasn't it? And it's delicious.
Not this lady.
My
This-
goodness, that's
this
I
is-
told you, it's so sweet.
This is like neon orange,
Totally.
and it's insane.
Yeah, it's like you can see this thing like glow in the dark, probably.
So this
Yeah.
smells like you took a bunch of different citrus flavored Kool-Aids, made them all with extra sugar, combined them because I get the lemon, the lime, and then I get the orange that is very dominant.
You want to know what I smell?
And it's
I
so
smell-
much sugar.
I smell Hawaiian punch.
Yes.
Oh my
Yes.
gosh, it's like, you know what? It's like that with a combination of Tahitian treat.
Yeah.
Yeah, but
This
yeah,
is-
it's like you get a little bit of that wheat in there, that wheat vodka. Mostly you get that persimmons, papaya, and mango, and lime. They're like really predominant.
Yeah, they
You said-
really are.
This is at 17% ABV. I've smelled
Yeah.
some wines that smelled more alcoholic than this.
Yeah, and that's the problem. Is this is obviously colors clearly added to it. It's
And-
super sugary, and this will mess your world up. You'll have a great time getting there.
Yeah,
'Cause
not
you
the
won't
next day
feel it
though.
at all. Next day is going to suck.
Big time. With the amount of sugar in this, you better be pounding water. 2
Oh.
for 1.
6 for 1.
It actually got a slight little bitterness on the taste, though. But same thing, persimmons, papaya.
Yeah, it really does have a lot of bitterness, and I think it's coming from that citrus.
Yeah, it's not quite as sweet as I
Where?
expected it to be. But
Oh
He
my
said
god,
where?
where are you finding bitterness? Oh my god,
nice
that's so
little
sweet.
line of bitterness for me. I love this liqueur. I've had multiple bottles of this. It's quite good. I can actually keep reserves of this one around.
Yeah.
It took every ounce of me not to spit that back in my glass.
Seriously, this mixed in with Hawaiian punch would be lost.
You wouldn't find
Yes.
it.
It'd be
at all.
lost.
It would be amazing. Adult
Awesome.
Hawaiian punch.
Seriously, throw some ice in a glass, pour some of this in, the rest Hawaiian punch. Drink that all night. You'll be sorry in the morning. You won't even
You won't know how drunk you're getting.
right until you try and stand up.
Yeah.
Absolutely.
And fall on your face because this is it's like liquid candy.
Yep, pretty much. Pretty much.
William's already poured his back into the sample bottle.
I know I'm getting this one back.
Huh?
So I know I'm getting this one back.
I don't know. I might just get a thing of Hawaiian punch.
There you go. Drink it up.
He's got cherry Kool-Aid made in there.
There you go.
It would disappear
It would, and I would be sorry.
and you would be sorry in the morning.
Yep.
You would.
All right. It's actually not half bad.
Okay.
Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button and click that notification bell. And until next time,
Keep on crusading for better liquids in your glass.
cheers.
Peaty, rye, bourbony.
Peaty Rye Bourbony.